very handy tool right there.
Yeah.
It's nice to be able to just check.
Absolutely.
What do I need to run outside and do something?
The radar is going to be fairly quiet, though, over the next
say, not much going on today.
Yes, very, very quiet around here. Kind of funny story. So, cruise ship out of New York City, supposed to go to Bermuda, rerouted here to Portland because of Hurricane Umberto.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, look at what they were greeted to, the sign at Ocean Gateway today. Welcome to Northern Bermuda.
It's kind of close.
It does, yeah. Hey, the weather matches out there, I'd say, these last couple of days. Thanks to Liz for passing along this picture. And if you do have a trip here, the weather today, obviously wonderful, where you happen to be in port today as opposed to out at sea. Hey, we have lots of sunshine expected all week long. It's going to be a cooler and brisk start to the month of October. And then we get another warm up this weekend. So we'll go down in temperature for a couple of days and then rebound, perhaps back into the 70s as early as Saturday. Out there right now, it is very comfortable. A bit of a breeze along the coastline, so we're down to 69 in Rockland, but 70s are very common farther inland. A few high clouds have made it into southern and mid-coast Maine, but other than that, it is mostly clear. And by the way, those high clouds being stretched out from Tropical Storm Imelda. All of the rain, though, will stay down to our south. Umberto and Imelda only about 600 miles apart. This does happen on rare occasion, but pretty interesting to see. For us, though, this area of high pressure will come down and block both of these systems from making landfall on the East Coast. And looking out over the next several days, Imelda and Umberto will both go out to sea. So not only are we missing the tropical systems, but that area of high pressure builds south. And over the next 7 days, there is virtually no rain in the forecast for much of the Northeast. This dry stretch is going to continue. So if you're out there this evening, very comfortable. 9 o'clock, we're down into the 60s in most spots. A weak cold front comes through northern Maine tonight, though. So tomorrow we'll have a different feeling day up over the county and central highlands. It will not be as warm there. But in central and southern Maine, we do squeeze out one more pretty mild day again tomorrow. We'll have high temperatures that get into the lower 70s from Bangor south. But north of Bangor, 60s and even only a high of 58 tomorrow in Caribou. And that's a sign of what comes south for all of us tomorrow night into Wednesday. We'll put this forward to Wednesday morning, and it's a chilly start. Probably we'll have some patchy frost in the mountain valleys Wednesday morning with lows in the 30s there, 40s elsewhere. And then Wednesday afternoon, it's partly cloudy, and there's going to be a brisk and chilly northerly breeze. So a totally different feeling day on Wednesday. High temperatures in the 50s north to low 60s south, but with some wind gusts at times up over 20 miles per hour. It will have a cooler feel to the day on Wednesday for sure. But that cool down is temporary. Wednesday and Thursday are the coolest days in this forecast, and then we rebound to near 70 on Friday, and we may be back up into the 70s over the weekend and perhaps into early next week. An extended stretch of above average temperatures possible into next week as well. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 3 feet with a west-southwest wind out on the water. So there you go, your 7-day forecast. Lots of sunshine will be out there. A pleasant day tomorrow with highs in the low 70s. Cooler in northern Maine tomorrow, and then that cooler air comes down on a gusty breeze for all of us on Wednesday. Probably some frost even near the coast on Thursday morning, and then we're back into the 70s. Could push 80 in spots on Sunday. So
in October.
In October. In October.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.